This is gonna be fun. Grounded doesn't get no better than that. This is so dope. I gotta get up there. I gotta get up to the top of the waterfall. That's my mission. I'm gonna do it. Yo, this shit's way too slippery to get on, honestly, bro. I don't want to fall and eat shit down there. I don't want to eat it. Mother Nature is so beautiful. I love this. Gorgeous, bro. And I'm grounded. I wonder if I get up there. Okay. There is a chance I might regret climbing up here because it was a little scary climbing up this thing. I don't know. Climbing down might be a little scarier. I was nervous a bat or snake was going to come out one of these creases and scare the crap out of me and me fall or something. It's okay. Woo! Beautiful. Bro, y'all would love this. Come on. There's some baby birds up there. Bro, this is dope. And I'm up in a spot that most people can't climb. So I get this little spot all to myself. Like there's a bunch of people down there. Yeah, but I get this beautiful spot all to myself and I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving it. This is amazing. Beautiful. Really should have had a GoPro for this little hike of mine. It's intense.